Why would you spend time, effort and money developing a medical device without checking there's actually a viable market for it? That would be crazy, wouldn't it? Yet, all too often we focus on the technology, the engineering at the expense of finding out whether it has a valuable practical use. So, finding out where, how and when you can get to a sustainable market is surely rather important. Getting it wrong is damaging, it's extremely time consuming, it's very expensive. If you had a sense of what you needed to do to take care of this, what would you then do? After watching this video, you may want to think about how you'll put what you learn into action. In this bite-sized video, we'll continue our exploration of the map of medical device development. This time, we're taking a look at the market research and access track. In the time available to us, we can't go into great detail, so please get in touch to find out more. You'll want to ensure there is actually a market for the product you're developing. It's also helpful to have an idea of which countries you plan to sell it in. So, it's a good idea to perform a market assessment to check the market exists, its size, complexity, and what competition is already out there, which may include other ways of addressing the same or similar unmet clinical needs. The assessment should also look at the options for a route to the market for your product. Building on the information you gathered earlier, competitor benchmarking assesses the position of your product's competitors, their market access, opportunities for your product and threats to its success. All this information helps you firm up on the most effective route to market for your product, in its launch market and for subsequent launches to build on that initial success. Developing a marketing strategy is an important part of preparing to launch your product. You'll work with key opinion leaders. Hopefully you'll have started working with them much earlier in development to support clinical activities and market assessment. During launch, you start to execute your marketing strategy for the product, including the delivery of tactical communications to your target markets. Clinical and product performance data can be very useful here in allowing you to make claims about the product. Alongside this, you'll be looking for opportunities for business development, whether it's additional indications for use, going into new countries, additional market segments, or working with new distributors. As you watch this video, you'll have started to think about how you can go about addressing each of these steps properly, making the best of each part of your journey. You may now want to get some guidance to turn your thoughts into concrete actions. Now that we're coming to the close of this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, sign up to our website, or follow us on social media so you're the first to know when new content is available. Thanks for watching. Remember to send us your feedback and comments.